Maximizing rental income tax deductions with TurboTax 2023, a comprehensive guide.
Navigate to the Wages and Income section in TurboTax Online to maximize your rental income tax deductions. Input and review your rental income details to ensure you leverage all available deductions for your properties effectively. Enhance your tax benefits by meticulously reviewing and editing property details in TurboTax Online. Accurately document all relevant information to optimize deductions and minimize tax liabilities for maximum financial gains. Access the Edit Add feature in TurboTax Live Premium 2023 to make tailored adjustments for your property assets, optimize deductions, and ensure precise reporting to unlock additional tax-saving opportunities. Delve into the Property Assets section in TurboTax Live Premium 2023 to optimize tax planning, update details for accurate depreciation calculations, maximizing deductions, and effectively strategizing for tax optimization. Understand the Assets section in TurboTax Live Premium 2023 to leverage depreciation benefits. Pay close attention to this area for accurate reporting and to maximize tax savings efficiently. Click on Edit in TurboTax Live Premium 2023 to refine property details for tax optimization. Ensure accurate documentation of major improvements for significant tax savings through optimized depreciation calculations. Optimize depreciation benefits by documenting all major property improvements in TurboTax Live Premium 2023. List relevant details to maximize tax savings through precise depreciation calculations. Click on Edit in TurboTax Live Premium 2023 to update cost and land value details for accurate depreciation calculations. Maximize depreciation benefits by ensuring precise and up-to-date inputs for optimized tax savings. Enter cost and land value details in TurboTax Live Premium 2023 to calculate yearly depreciation. This step is crucial for claiming depreciation benefits annually and maximizing tax savings through optimized calculations. Navigate through additional screens in TurboTax to unveil depreciation benefits for potential tax deductions. Diligently explore these screens to maximize tax savings and optimize your financial position effectively. Congratulations on unlocking the tax-saving power of depreciation. Embrace the benefits to reduce your tax bill effectively and optimize your overall financial position. Celebrate this milestone in your tax planning journey.
Thank you for watching. Create free, AI-powered how-to guides by visiting Kim Avi.